Hello and welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to create a campaign, also known as a broadcast call, in Agent24HR. To get started, navigate to the Campaigns page in Agent24HR. Click on New Campaign. Give your campaign a name. For this demonstration, I'll call it Test Appointment Broadcast. Next, select a campaign type. Since we're helping patients book appointments at a hospital, the closest campaign type for this use case is lead qualification. You can also optionally add a description for your campaign. This is for internal reference only and does not affect how the campaign operates. Once that's done, click on Next. Now, select an agent. This is the flow agent we previously created to execute the workflow built in the Flow Builder. Next, select a phone number. This will be one of the phone numbers assigned to your Agent 24 Hours account. You can also schedule the campaign to run at a specific time by enabling the call scheduling option. If scheduling is left disabled, the campaign will begin almost immediately once it is started. Click on Next to continue. Now, upload the CSV file containing the contact data for the recipients you want this broadcast call to reach. This should follow the same CSV structure we covered in the previous video. Once the upload is complete, click on Create Campaign. After creating the campaign, locate it in the campaigns list and click on the three-dot menu at the top right corner of the campaign card. Then click on Start Campaign. And just like that, your campaign is now running. Let's see how the flow agent handles the call when it comes in.
Hi, good day. My name is David from St. Luke's Specialist Hospital. I would be happy to help you schedule an appointment. Let me collect a few details to find the best time for you.
Okay.
May I have your full name, please?
Jonathan Henry.
What's the best phone number to reach you on?
070-6963-5388.
Which specialist are you interested in seeing? We offer specialist consultations for neurology, psychiatry, cardiology, and gastroenterology.
Gastroenterology.
Thank you, Jonathan. I'll check availability for a gastroenterology appointment. Could you please let me know your preferred date and time?
26th of May, 2026.
Thank you, Jonathan. I'll check the available times for your preferred date, the 26th of May, 2026. Could you please let me know your preferred time?
11 a.m.
Your appointment has been booked successfully.
Thank you.
And that's it. If you return to the campaign page, you'll see detailed campaign metrics such as campaign status, total recipients, successful calls, failed calls, pending calls, and more. You can also retry failed calls at any time by clicking on the Retry Failed button. Under the Analytics tab, you'll find even more detailed insights about the campaign's performance. If you open the Recipients tab, you'll see all the contacts included in your uploaded CSV file, along with their individual call statuses. You can also open a specific call to view a summary of the conversation or replay the recorded call audio. Additionally, if you navigate to the Appointments page, you'll see the appointments booked during the campaign calls. And that's how to create and run a campaign or broadcast call in Agent24HR. Thank you for watching.